Hi everyone, as you can see on your screen, these are multiple skills I have mentioned which I acquired during this boot camp, and these are very important for an independent or a solo hiker or a trekker. Out of all of these, I found lightweight gear skill very important. Although in the next few clips, I will show you guys the glimpse of my theory classes, so stay tuned.
If you take any layer, say this could be maybe 2500 meter this layer, so this contour line remains at the same height. It connects all the points. One layer is connecting all the points at the same 2500 meter altitude points along your planned route. So if you come for a week, maybe you're gonna do 5 passes with a couple of food stops in between. You'll need 5 night stops where you're gonna pitch up your tent. So we'll do that. An inverted U is basically where the stream is going to flow, stream which drains meltwater, snow melt or rainwater. So same with the valleys here. Let's do the first one. Say for example, now I'm walking on a ridge line here, right? Ridge lines can be easily found. Remember the inverted U. So we're walking on this ridge. So we already know I'm on this line. Whoa, we see a peak there. Look, so a peak, right? Something that stands out in the landscape, like a peak or like a waterfall, Jogini, that you're gonna see clearly, or a water tower.
All right. So basically, this is an OSM application which is being used by the solo trackers all around the world. So to adapt to this application, we have हमें एक एक्सरसाइज दी गई ट्रेजर हंट एक्सरसाइज जिसमें कि इफ़ यू कैन सी दीज फ्लैग्स आर द पॉइंट्स जहाँ पे हमें जाना था. वी हैड टू फाइंड दी वट एवर द स्ट्रक्चर वाज देयर. In these, as you can see, the one is one was mandir, and then stupa, then a red flag is a stream, then we have a mandir again, which is a small, very small structure, and then a Manali viewpoint, then a water tank. So if you can see this green area, this was a alpine forest, a little dense one, जिसमें थोड़ी हमें problem हुई to find out these points. And you can also use this application in 3D mode. So in the next few slides, I will show you the exercise we are performing on ground.
That's it basically.
Yeah, that's it.
So I've given you
Yeah,
3
zoom out.
points.
Zoom out. Yeah.
Where it is?
First you shared the exit
You,
entry.
add
First I
the
shared the
spring.
spring. That's
Spring.
where you'll
Make it
have to
an
look for the
mark it
skeleton.
as a